Hi, YouTube viewers. My name is Reddy Suresh. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. Okay, friends. Say computer arithmetic in that bisection method. Here are given the one question. Find the positive roots of x cube minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0 using the bisection method. Correct to 3 decimal places. See how to solve this one. See, let f of x equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Put x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, here already we discussed this one. When we get that negative and positive values, then we there the stop it, then that lie between the roots. Okay, see, observe this. F of 0 equals to 0 cube minus 2 into 0 minus 5, that equals to minus 5. It is less than 0. So next you substitute the x is 1, that is 1 cube minus 2 into 1 minus 5 equal to what we get. See, equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 5, total minus 7, that equals to minus 6. It is less than 0. Next, f of 2 equals to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5, that equals to 2 cube is 8. This is minus 4 minus 5, total minus 9, that equals to minus 1. It is also less than 0. So now f of 3 equals to 3 cube, x value 3, you substitute in this polynomial cubic equation. 3 cube minus 2x minus the x place 3 minus 5 equal to 0. So now that equals to 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 minus 6 minus 5. It's not coming the 0. Okay, calculate this. See, 27 minus 11, that equals to 27 minus 11 is 6, 16 we get. So it is greater than 0. Here one is negative, here is positive. So roots are lie between 2 and 3. 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 So now again, in this one, here x naught equals to 2, x1 equals to 3. So now we want that x2 value. Already we know that bisection formula xn equals to xn minus 1 plus xn minus 2 by 2. So in that n place you substitute the 2. x2 equals to x2 minus 1 plus x2 minus 2 divided by 2. So x2 equal to x1 plus x naught by 2. So x2 value x1, what is the x1? That one you can apply, plus what is the x naught? That is 2 divided by 2. x2 equals to, this is already we know that this is 5 by 2. This is 2.5. See, this is the value, x2 value. In that x2 value, you substitute in the f of x. So here, what we get this value, see, f of 2.5, that equals to 2.5 whole cube minus 2 into 2.5 minus 5. Okay, so now 2.5 whole cube. 2.5 whole cube. What is the 2.5 whole cube? So already we know that 2.5 whole cube, that is f of 2.5 equals to 15.625. 15.625 minus 2 into 2.5, that is 5 minus 5, that equals to 15.625 minus 10, that is 5.625. So it is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. So now roots are lie between a 2.5 greater than we get. So before the value 2.5, before the value is 2. So 2 and 2.5. 2 and 2.5. Now go to x3. x3 equals to 2 plus 2.5 by 2. Here same formula, you can use that. x2. Here now x3, you can use that. 3 minus 1, that is 2. x2 is 2.5. Okay. Then 3 minus 2, x1 is 3. x1 is here 2. Here like we can take it. So here this is 4.5 by 2. That equals to here 2.25. So that equals to x3 value 2.25. x3 equals to 2.25. So this 2.25 you substitute in the equation. F of 2.25 equals to 2.25 whole cube minus 2 into 2.25 minus 5. So now 2.25 whole cube. What is the value? 11.390 minus 2 into 2.25. 2 into 2.25. You go to calculation this one. 2 2 5 is 10. 2 2 4 5. Okay. 2 2 4. That is 4.5 minus 5. That equals to 11.39 minus 9.5. So now here positive value we get now. So see, observe this. 11.39, 9.5. Here 9, 13, 5, 8 point. Here 10, 9, 1. So 1.89. 1.89 is greater than 0. So again we get the greater than 0. So roots are lie between 2.25 before the number. Before the number we can take it. Okay. So roots are lie between 2 and 2.25. So now x3 complete, x4 now. x4 equals to 2 plus 2.25 by 2. That equals to, this is 4.25 by 2. That equals to x4 equals to, go to cancellation this one, 2 2 ja point, that is 2 1 ja 2 5. 2 2 ja 4, carrying 1, so 10 2 5. So now this value substitute in the equation, cubic equation. F of 2.125, that equals to 2.125 whole cube minus 2 into 2.125 minus 5. That equals to 2.125 value 9.595 minus here this one, 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4 1 5, 2 1 are 2 point, 2 2 are 4. So minus 5. So that equals to 9.595 minus 9.25. So go to simplification. This is 5 here 0. Okay. So 505 subtraction 954 5 to 3. 0.990. So this is also greater than 0. So now here roots are lie between roots are lie between 2 and 2.125. 2.125. We want up to 3 decimal places. So here we got up to 3 decimal places. So thank you friends.